guys? Good morning, NateVlog here, and today we are going to try deep Indian kitchen chicken tikka masala. Well, what do you think about that? Look at this. Doesn't that look appetizing? I was looking up how to make this and it's only microwave. What? You're telling me I can't put this in the oven? Really? Always made from scratch. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, it sounds like this is gonna be pretty good. I mean, looks really good actually. So anyways, here we go. I guess we're gonna microwave it this time. Oh gosh. Yeah, let's get to the kitchen. Here we go. Good luck, right? All right, what do we need to do here? So first things first is puncture 3 times in the film. Ventilation. Here we go. Get this shit open. Take your big knife. Wait, can we puncture? 1, 2, 3. All right. What's next? Here we go. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. All right. Throw this in there. 3 minutes. All right, we'll be back. Hold on. All right, it's that time. Here we go. It's not that bad, actually. Okay. All right. So we need to peel back the film and stir it. So I'm guessing we just need to stir the meat here. Ooh. Actually, that smells pretty good. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay. So yeah, we'll just do some of this. All right. Alright, that should be good. What do we do? Put that back on there? Yep. Minute 30. Rest of the time. Okay. Look at that. There we go. Alright, we will be back. What does that say? What does that say? End. Finished. And I gotta say, my whole kitchen is now smelling like this, which is pretty appetizing, yeah. But yep, it's hot. Oh, shit, come on. There we go. Oh. All right. Feel this. Doesn't look too appetizing, but it smells good. Fact, reality. You know how it goes. Well, let's give this a try, everybody. Alright, here we go. So I was trying to take a thumbnail of this. It's so hot to pick up. But yeah, hopefully I got a good one. Anyways, one more look. Oh wait, look at this. Medium spice. So add some kick to it, yeah? Protein, 25 grams. Healthy. No artificial ingredients, no antibiotics ever. All right. Let's try some authentic Indian food here. Tikka masala. Ooh. Shit. All right, chicken. Oh gosh. It tastes like it's still frozen. Like the chicken's like all hard. The flavoring is okay, but maybe I need to let it sit. I don't know. Actually, it is a little spicy now that I'm tasting it here. Alright, let's give the rice a try. Okay, rice is good. It's not overcooked. It's soft, not hard. That's some good rice. Okay. Rice is thumbs up. Let's try it with the sauce here. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, well, this side is delicious. But let's try the chicken again. Hopefully this time it's not gonna be so hot. Hopefully it's tender. All right, no hardness. Oh yeah, there we go, that's softer. I guess I had to sit, I don't know, that's weird, huh? Yeah, it's all right. Not bad. Would I get this again? Maybe. Let's give it some positivity. Yeah, yes. The rice is soft. The sauce is pretty tasty. The chicken could have been better. All right, we'll say that. Yeah, there we go. That makes more sense. All right. So we'll rank this a 6 out of 10. That's pretty good score, right? For a frozen meal. TV dinner. Well, this is my breakfast, always, right? TV breakfast. Now, am I gonna end up in the bathroom later? Well, you know how Indian food is, right? So, yeah. Oh, I was gonna say, I was reading this. It said, chicken tikka, samosas, and garlic naan. I was like, where is that? But no, it says you gotta complete the experience, pair with others. So you gotta buy the naan, you gotta buy the samosas. I never tried samosas. I want to try that. That sounds pretty interesting, right? Chicken inside, yeah. I was like, where is it? Am I missing it? Where's my big garlic naan, huh? Naan is hella delicious. I gotta say, Indian food is up there, okay? It's one of my favorites. Yeah. The curries, the butter chicken, obviously. And that naan. And my all-time favorite drink of all, top tier, mango lassi. Oh, wow. But here in LA, it's hella expensive. So I was lucky to eat it in all places. Bangkok. Authentic right there. That was really tasty. Wow. Delicious. Am I ever gonna go to India? I don't know about that. I guess this is the closest to India we'll get, right? Alright, let's try this chicken again. Such good flavors. You know what? That's what you have to do. You have to let it sit, and then everything starts getting better. The chicken starts getting softer and all that. So I'm gonna change the score now to a 6.5 out of 10. Yeah, Indian food. Wow. Top of the line. I love putting the sauce with the rice. Have it soaked up, right? That's what I'm doing right now. I didn't think I'd be making these noises while having a frozen meal. But yeah. And this is at Walmart too. Wow. Starting to get to a 7 now. Wow. I'm actually impressed. Damn. Okay, well, there you have it. I guess it reached to a 7. You know, it's not really that bad. It's only 370 calories. Sodium, yeah, you know, sodium is 630 milligrams. Protein, 50%. A lot of protein here. Calcium, potassium, iron, vitamin D. You know why? Because look at this. So this dish features tomatoes, ginger, turmeric, cumin, and onion. So yeah, that's why. Well, yeah, I think I would get this again. They have other ones, so I might as well try them all, right? I didn't see buttered chicken. Buttered chicken was going to be my first one to try, but yeah, I didn't see it. I'm surprised. So, last bites. Such a shame. It's so small. Portion size. I mean, would this fill you up? Would it? Would it? Come on. Come on. It wouldn't fill you up. That's it. It's done. I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry! Ah! Spicy! Ah! Wow. And of course, we never learn. I don't bring a drink. That's unfortunate. So, alright, there you have it. 7 out of 10. Hope you guys dig it. Walmart special right here. Some tikka masala from Deep Indian Kitchen. Alright, like and subscribe. Hit up my PayPal. Support the channel. Also, we have Venmo now. Can you believe it? Venmo and PayPal. That's 2 options for ya. 2 options. Support, support. Thank you so much, everybody. Really appreciate it. Whoa. Heartburn now because of how spicy it is. Wow. Yeah. Anyways, we'll see ya. Bathroom time. All right. Well, thank you very much.